Now we will connect Zed to Opencode. For this, you open Zed. So this is the onboarding panel, and if everything was perfect in this section, there would have been a connector to Opencode. Unfortunately, there isn't, and this is the reason why we will use this manual manipulation of file. So you click on the top left, you open setting files. This files is actually where user settings are saved. So what I advised is to copy paste. So you select all the file, you copy the content, and you paste it and save, just in case the manipulation doesn't work. So now we will try to insert this in this file. So this is a JSON file, and you see it needs to respect a certain syntax, and in particularly you have this kind of blocks that are always followed by a comma. So here, that's great, there is a comma at the end, so I will just add a comma at the end of my text. I will copy paste it at the end, so I tap enter to go in on the other line. I paste it. So if there is a problem, you will see a kind of warning. For instance, if I remove this comma, you have there a kind of underline, and you have a warning. So it means that you need to add a comma here. Or if you remove this, you see there is also a warning. So then you do Control S for Windows or Command S for Mac to save the file. The small blue button is hovered, so it's saved. You can close the file, and you close that, and then you reopen it. That seems to work. That's it.